Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our Colorado off-road trailers. We're the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer. You guys can view all of our inventory online anytime at getmytrailer.com. These are true off-road units set up to be that multi-purpose trailer. Most of them are insulated with Windows Power AC heat strip. This one is in a 6x14 single axle, great size. Does have a 6'6" interior height. It's in our thicker aluminum skin. This is our silver color. This one does have the blackout package as well. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, nice wrapped corners, extended tongue with a generator platform and generator box, so you have a place for that generator to ride. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler as well on these units. Great for adding articulating hitch, or great for anti-theft because that entire end piece pulls out and removes. This does have a twist lock plug on it, as well as it is equipped with our power package. Again, 6x14 in size. Now these are, again, our true off-road trailers. They give you about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, so it's about an additional 6 inches of what you will get with your standard trailer out there. You also have a 32-inch Mudterrain tire. This unit does have a brake on that axle as well. It's a 3,500-pound torsion axle with a brake. You do have, again, the Mudterrain tires and the Black American racing wheel. Step off that side door because, again, these trailers do sit up nice and tall. This side door has also been moved back quite a bit, so this is a great trailer if anybody wants to add cabinets to the front. You do have the room to do that. Couple of party lights off the side, so you've got some exterior LED lighting. This also has the all aluminum roof rack with ladder there on top. Good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so great place for kayaks, canoes, that sort of thing. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door, of course, so you can load and unload your toys. This one is equipped with that rear deck option, so it's like these guys that you see right here. It does have the stabilizer jacks on that, so you can use it as a ramp or fold down that stabilizer jacks on the ramp door and have a rear deck with some exterior space. Insulated walls and ceiling in here, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Performance Nudo floor. This is a great floor. It's one of the most durable floors in the industry, which is why we use it. And then you do have 4 D-rings in there as well for tie down points. And we do have a couple of slider windows. These are our 18x44 slider windows with screens. It's a tinted lockable window, so you've got good multi-use there. Plus you've got a roof vent in the unit for some additional ventilation. And then let's talk about power. This is equipped with a battery box, and a battery charger. This is gonna run your lights off the side of the trailer. It's gonna run your load lights off the back of the trailer. It's also going to run your interior puck lights, and you've got 4 of these little guys in here as well on the wall. So you don't need to be plugged into a vehicle or have your generator running to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, which is a really great feature. Then you also, again, have that 30 amp service with that twist lock plug, so you guys can plug into a generator, an extension cord, campground, however you're going to bring power into the trailer. And that in turn is going to run your AC unit with a heat strip. So this is a Dometic unit. You do have a thermostat here on the wall as well with these units, which is super cool. It's also going to run your 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights across the top on the ceiling. So a couple of different sources there for power, and then you also will need that generator or 110 to power up your outlets. You've got 4 interior outlets and that 1 exterior GFI outlet as well. So gives you guys some options and feature use there. 3-year factory warranty with these units. I believe this trailer weighs 2,500 pounds. You guys can check specs on the website at getmytrailer.com. It's going to give you around a 1,500 pound payload capacity or so with this unit. So here it is. Again, you guys can check out everything on the website. We can ship these trailers directly to you. You can apply for a shipping quote online as well, again, at getmytrailer.com. Always send us an email. It's the quickest place to reach us now in our COVID world, sales@getmytrailer.com. Or you can try and reach us 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube.